If you need a well padded laptop bag, you can call or WhatsApp me on 08036588365. We can use any material of your choice. All right. So these laptop bags are made from Ankara fabrics and they are well padded. And each of these has a unique, beautifully made hands, so of which you may not know. So it has hand, and you can see you can use it as a file, as a pad, as a bag, as a laptop bag. It has, you can see this, it has two inners, it has two pockets, front and back, and you can't imagine that it also has hand inside. Okay, so if you need one, you can call or WhatsApp me on 08036588365. We are the best here at Tarron Innovative World. If you would like to join my Telegram class, you can call or WhatsApp me on 08036588365. These bags are actually going all the way to the United States of America. So you can see that we don't scam people. So Tarron Innovative World does not scam. So your money is safe with us. All you need to do is place your order and we produce whatever you need and then we send it down to you. Thanks to our wonderful customer, and thanks to all my Telegram students for your support. If you like to join my Telegram class, whereby I teach how to make all these type of bags and so many other fashion bags, souvenir bags, um, laptop bags made with Ankara fabrics, made with other fabrics, school bags, um, makeup bags, purses, offering envelopes. You can call or WhatsApp me on 08036588365. If you're not a Nigerian, you can add +234 to the number before dialing the main number. All right, so I'll be expecting you. And the Telegram class is not free. When you call me, I'll tell you the price. All right, so a lot of students have been appreciating me. They have been appreciating us here at Tarron Innovative World, because when I teach you, it will look as if you're actually learning physically. A lot of people have gained and many more are still gaining. Join our Telegram classes and you will never regret it, where you have the opportunity to ask me questions relating to bags and how it is sold and how you can sell your bags. All right, we'll be expecting you. These bags are so beautiful. I'm tempted to open it for you. It's well padded. You can see each of these bags are well padded with hand inside, of which with an invisible hand. Okay, and it has a side adjustable strap. See,